In today's video, we are going to see some Karzi military machines who saved our country, which play a very crucial role in our security. But before that, please consider subscribing our channel, as we always bring interesting content for you all. Let's start. The AC-130 gunship is a heavily armed variant of the C-130 Hercules transport aircraft. It is equipped with a variety of cannons and machine guns, including a 105mm cannon and a 40mm cannon. The AC-130 is used to provide close air support for ground troops and to attack enemy targets on the ground. History. The AC-130 was developed in the early 1960s in response to the need for close air support aircraft during the Vietnam War. The first AC-130 was a modified C-130A Hercules that was equipped with four 7.62mm machine guns and two 20mm cannons. The AC-130A entered service in 1966 and quickly proved to be an effective weapon against Viet Cong and North Vietnamese forces. Over the years, the AC-130 has been upgraded and improved. The current version of the AC-130, the AC-130W Stinger II, is equipped with a 105mm cannon, a 40mm cannon, a 30mm cannon, and a 7.62mm machine gun. The AC-130W is also equipped with a variety of sensors, including electro-optical, infrared cameras, and radar, which allow it to operate at night and in bad weather. Design. The AC-130 is a four-engine, turboprop aircraft. It has a large cargo compartment that can be configured to carry a variety of weapons and sensors. The AC-130 also has a crew of 13, including pilots, navigators, gunners, and electronic warfare specialists. Armament. The AC-130W Stinger II is armed with a 105mm M102 howitzer, a 40mm L/60 cannon, a 30mm GAU-23 cannon, and a 7.62mm M134 minigun. The AC-130W can also carry a variety of bombs and missiles, including AGM-114 Hellfire missiles and Joint Direct Attack munitions. Sensors. The AC-130W is equipped with a variety of sensors, including electro-optical, infrared cameras, radar, and laser designators. The electro-optical, infrared cameras allow the AC-130W to operate at night and in bad weather. The radar allows the AC-130W to track targets and avoid obstacles. The laser designators allow the AC-130W to guide laser-guided bombs to their targets. Crew. The AC-130W has a crew of 13, including pilots, navigators, gunners, and electronic warfare specialists. The pilots are responsible for flying the aircraft. The navigators are responsible for navigating the aircraft and finding targets. The gunners are responsible for firing the aircraft's weapons. The electronic warfare specialists are responsible for jamming enemy sensors and communications. Service. The AC-130 has been used in a variety of conflicts, including the Vietnam War, the Gulf War, the War on Terror, and the war in Afghanistan. The AC-130 has proven to be an effective weapon against a variety of targets, including enemy troops, armored vehicles, and artillery positions. The AC-130 is a powerful and versatile aircraft. Number 2. Typhoon class submarine. The Typhoon class, also known as the Project 941 Aquila class, is the largest and most powerful class of submarine ever built. It was developed by the Soviet Union in the 1970s and 1980s and entered service in 1981. The Typhoon class is a ballistic missile submarine, and each submarine can carry up to 20 R-30 Bulava submarine-launched ballistic missiles. The Typhoon class is also the largest submarine ever built, with a displacement of over 48,000 tons. History. The Typhoon class was designed in response to the United States Ohio-class ballistic missile submarine. The Ohio class was the first ballistic missile submarine to be able to carry Trident missiles, which were more powerful and accurate than the Soviet Union's SSN-18 missiles. The Typhoon class was designed to carry more and larger missiles than the Ohio class and to be more difficult to detect and destroy. Construction. The Typhoon class was built at the Sevmash shipyard in Severodvinsk, Russia. The first Typhoon class submarine, TK-208 Dmitry Donskoy, was launched in 1976 and commissioned in 1981. A total of 6 Typhoon-class submarines were built, and they all entered service by 1989. Design: the Typhoon class is a double-hulled submarine with a pressure hull inside a larger outer hull. The pressure hull is made of high-strength steel and is designed to withstand the pressure of the deep ocean. The outer hull is made of lighter materials, such as titanium, and helps to protect the pressure hull from damage. The Typhoon class is powered by 2 OK650 nuclear reactors. These reactors give the Typhoon class a top speed of over 25 knots. The Typhoon class also has a large endurance and can operate for months without refueling. Armament: the Typhoon class is armed with 20 R-30 Bulava submarine-launched ballistic missiles. The Bulava missile is a 3-stage missile with a range of over 8,000 kilometers. Each Bulava missile can carry up to 6 nuclear warheads. In addition to its ballistic missiles, the Typhoon class is also armed with 6 torpedo tubes. The torpedo tubes can fire a variety of torpedoes, including anti-ship torpedoes and anti-submarine torpedoes. Sensors: the Typhoon class is equipped with a variety of sensors, including sonar, radar, and electronic warfare systems. The sonar system allows the Typhoon class to detect and track other ships and submarines. The radar system allows the Typhoon class to navigate and avoid obstacles. The electronic warfare system allows the Typhoon class to jam enemy sensors and communications. Crew: the Typhoon class has a crew of 160 officers and sailors. The crew is responsible for operating the submarine systems, weapons, and sensors. Service: the Typhoon class entered service with the Soviet Navy in 1981. The Typhoon class played a major role in the Cold War and was seen as a deterrent to nuclear war. After the collapse of the Soviet Union in 1991, the Typhoon class was inherited by the Russian Navy. The Russian Navy has been decommissioning the Typhoon class since the early 2000s, and only one Typhoon class submarine, TK-208 Dmitry Donskoy, is still in service. The Typhoon class is a powerful and impressive submarine. It is the largest and most powerful submarine ever built, and it played a major role in the Cold War. The Typhoon class is a reminder of the destructive power of nuclear weapons and the importance of peace and diplomacy. The Typhoon class is a truly unique and impressive submarine. It is the largest and most powerful submarine ever built, and it played a major role in the Cold War. Here are some more details about the Typhoon class. It is over 175 meters long and displaces over 48,000 tons, making it the largest submarine ever built. It is powered by 2 OK650 nuclear reactors, which give it a top speed of over 25 knots. It has a range of over 20,000 nautical miles and can operate for months without refueling. It is armed with 20 R-30 Bulava submarine-launched ballistic missiles, each of which can carry up to 6 nuclear warheads. It also has 6 torpedo tubes, which can fire a variety of torpedoes, including anti-ship torpedoes and anti-submarine torpedoes. It has a crew of 160 officers and sailors. The Typhoon class was designed to be a deterrent to nuclear war. It was so large and powerful that it was virtually undetectable and indestructible. The Typhoon class was also designed to be able to launch its missiles while submerged, which made it even more difficult to target and destroy. The Typhoon class played a major role in the Cold War. It was a symbol of Soviet military power, and it helped to deter the United States from using nuclear weapons. The Typhoon class is also a marvel of engineering. It is a complex machine that is able to operate in the harsh and unforgiving environment of the deep ocean. The Typhoon class is a testament to the ingenuity and skill of the Soviet engineers who designed and built it. Today, only one Typhoon-class submarine, TK-208 Dmitry Donskoy, is still in service. The other Typhoon-class submarines have been decommissioned and scrapped. The Typhoon class is a relic of the Cold War, but it remains a powerful and impressive machine. Number 3. The MQ9 Reaper Drivone is a remotely piloted aircraft that is used for surveillance, reconnaissance, and attack missions. It is equipped with a variety of sensors, including electro-optical, infrared cameras, and radar, and it can carry a variety of weapons, including bombs and missiles. The MQ9 Reaper is known for its long endurance and its ability to strike targets with precision. History: the MQ9 Reaper was developed in the early 2000s by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems. The first MQ9 Reaper entered service with the United States Air Force in 2007. The MQ9 Reaper has been used in a variety of conflicts, including the War on Terror, the War in Afghanistan, and the War in Iraq. Design: the MQ9 Reaper is a high-wing, turboprop RPA. It has a wingspan of over 66 feet and a length of over 54 feet. The MQ9 Reaper can carry up to 3,850 pounds of weapons and ammunition. It has a range of over 1,000 miles and an endurance of over 14 hours. Armament. The MQ9 Reaper can carry a variety of weapons, including AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, GBU-12 Paveway 2 bombs, and GBU-38 JDAMs. The MQ9 Reaper can also be equipped with laser designators to guide laser-guided bombs to their targets. Sensors. The MQ9 Reaper is equipped with a variety of sensors, including electro-optical, infrared cameras, radar, and laser designators. The electro-optical infrared cameras allow the MQ9 Reaper to operate at night and in bad weather. The radar allows the MQ9 Reaper to track targets and avoid obstacles. The laser designators allow the MQ9 Reaper to guide laser-guided bombs to their targets. Crew. The MQ9 Reaper is operated by a crew of 2 pilots and a sensor operator. The pilots are responsible for flying the aircraft. The sensor operator is responsible for operating the aircraft, sensors, and weapons. Service. The MQ9 Reaper has been used in a variety of conflicts, including the War on Terror, the War in Afghanistan, and the War in Iraq. The MQ9 Reaper has proven to be an effective weapon against a variety of targets, including enemy troops, armored vehicles, and artillery positions. The MQ9 Reaper is a powerful and versatile aircraft. It is a valuable asset to the United States military, and it continues to play an important role in modern warfare.